Hello friends, welcome to video tutorial of WedgeCommerce that helps to build your own e-commerce store native on Salesforce. In this video tutorial, I'll guide you how you need to create articles under content management system in WedgeCommerce. So let's proceed to create one of the articles. Currently, I'm in the article section under content management system, and I'll click on the plus icon to create article. Over here, we need to add the article name and the content. And also we have option to update the SEO details. Like we have already provided SEO friendly environment on all the pages. So you can modify in order to optimize the SEO part as well. So I'll just quickly go ahead and I'll fill the details. So as you can see that I have entered the name, the content of this article, and also the SEO part is already filled as required. Now I'll go ahead and just save this article. So like I have created one of the terms and condition articles that like I can use this article in the front end whenever a user is registering on the store, like the user needs to just accept the terms and conditions, and also like the order is getting placed by any user. So in that situation, the customer need to just accept the terms and condition to process with the checkout. So these are the articles that you can create. Also you can create multiple articles, like you can on this demo site. This is our demo site for the WedgeCommerce, and like we have footer menu options over here, so you can add the related articles related to your business process and related to your demo instructions. You can just display over here, and all the details will be linked to that articles. So in this way the article functionality is working in the WedgeCommerce. And thank you for watching this video. Just go through the next video tutorial to just proceed with the blog section. Thank you for using WedgeCommerce.